the ultimate guide to making money online with affiliate marketing. Imagine transforming your passion into profit with just a laptop and an internet connection. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, where the potential to earn is limited only by your creativity and drive. Whether you're a digital nomad seeking financial freedom or simply looking for a lucrative side hustle, affiliate marketing offers a path to online income that's both accessible and scalable. In this video, we'll uncover the essentials of affiliate marketing, reveal insider strategies for success, and equip you with the tools you need to turn your online efforts into real earnings. Ready to dive in and start your journey to financial independence? Let's get started. Number 1. Choose your niche and the best product. Choosing the right niche and product is key to making money online as an affiliate. Start by selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will ensure your content is genuine and engaging. Research market demand using tools like Google Trends and keyword planners to find niches with substantial interest and relatively low competition. Once you've identified your niche, focus on finding the best affiliate products within that space. Look for products with high-quality reviews, competitive commissions, and a strong track record of sales. Evaluate affiliate programs for their reputation, support, and payment terms. Promoting products that genuinely solve problems or fulfill needs within your niche will resonate more with your audience, leading to higher conversion rates. By combining a well-chosen niche with top-notch products, you set yourself up for greater success and profitability in affiliate marketing. Number 2. Research affiliate programs. Researching affiliate programs is crucial for making money online as an affiliate. Start by identifying programs related to your niche and evaluate their credibility and reputation. Look for programs with competitive commission rates, reliable tracking systems, and prompt payments. Check the range and quality of products or services offered. Ideally, they should align with your audience's needs and interests. Read reviews and testimonials from other affiliates to gauge their experiences. Consider the support and resources provided by the program, such as marketing materials and training. Additionally, review the terms and conditions to ensure there are no hidden fees or restrictions. By thoroughly researching and selecting reputable affiliate programs, you'll be better equipped to promote high-quality products, build trust with your audience, and maximize your earning potential. Your choice of programs directly impacts your success in affiliate marketing. Number 3. Create a content-rich website. Creating a content-rich website is essential for making money online as an affiliate. Start by choosing a domain name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Next, select a user-friendly platform like WordPress to build your site. Focus on producing high-quality, valuable content that addresses your audience's needs and interests. This could include in-depth reviews, informative guides, how-to articles, and engaging blog posts. Integrate your affiliate links naturally within the content to avoid seeming overly promotional. Ensure your website is visually appealing and easy to navigate, with a clear call to action on every page. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant, and optimize it for search engines, SEO, to attract organic traffic. By providing valuable content and strategically placing affiliate links, you'll build trust with your audience and enhance your potential for earning commissions. Number 4. Create quality content. Creating quality content is vital for making money online as an affiliate. Focus on producing content that provides real value to your audience. Start by identifying common problems or questions in your niche and address them with in-depth informative articles or reviews. Use a clear, engaging writing style and ensure your content is well-researched and accurate. Incorporate multimedia elements like images, infographics, and videos to enhance user experience and keep visitors engaged. Include your affiliate links naturally within your content, ensuring they are relevant and helpful to your readers. Avoid overloading your content with links, as this can appear spammy and reduce credibility. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and aligned with current trends. By delivering high-quality, useful content, you build trust with your audience, encourage higher engagement, and improve your chances of converting visits into affiliate sales. Number 5. Drive traffic to your affiliate site. Driving traffic to your affiliate site is crucial for making money online. Start with SEO, Optimize your website's content with relevant keywords to rank higher in search engine results. This includes on-page SEO, like using meta tags and creating high-quality backlinks. Leverage social media platforms by sharing your content and engaging with your audience. Create compelling posts, use appropriate hashtags, and join relevant groups to broaden your reach. Consider using paid advertising such as Google Ads or Facebook ads to target specific demographics and drive targeted traffic. Implement email marketing by building an email list and sending regular newsletters featuring your content and affiliate products. Engage with your subscribers by offering valuable insights and exclusive offers. Additionally, explore guest blogging on related sites and collaborate with influencers in your niche to tap into their audiences. By combining these strategies, you'll attract more visitors to your affiliate site and increase your chances of earning commissions. Number 6, get clicks on your affiliate links. To get clicks on your affiliate links, focus on creating compelling, high-quality content that naturally integrates these links. Write engaging product reviews, how-to guides, and comparison articles that address your audience's needs and include your affiliate links as solutions. Use clear, actionable calls to action, CTAs, to prompt readers to click. Place affiliate links strategically within your content, such as in the introduction, within body text, and in conclusion, to increase visibility. Make sure your links are contextually relevant and add value to the reader. Incorporate attention-grabbing visuals and persuasive copy around your links to draw attention. Test different link placements and formats to see what works best. Additionally, build trust by being transparent about your affiliate relationships. By providing valuable, relevant content and using effective CTAs, you'll encourage more clicks on your affiliate links and boost your earnings. Number 7. Convert clicks to sales and track performance. To convert clicks to sales, focus on delivering a seamless user experience and addressing your audience's needs effectively. Create compelling content that highlights the benefits of the affiliate products and includes persuasive calls to action. Use high-quality visuals and detailed product descriptions to build trust and encourage purchases. Offer incentives like discounts or exclusive deals to motivate action. Track performance by using analytics tools provided by affiliate programs or third-party platforms. Monitor key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and sales to understand what's working. Analyze this data to refine your strategies and improve results. By optimizing your content for conversions and regularly reviewing performance metrics, you can enhance your affiliate marketing efforts and boost your earnings. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips on affiliate marketing helpful. Remember, choosing the right niche and products is key to success. Create quality, valuable content that resonates with your audience and naturally integrates your affiliate links. Drive traffic through SEO, social media, and targeted ads to reach more people. Focus on converting clicks into sales by offering clear CTAs and optimizing your landing pages. Don't forget to track your performance and adjust your strategies for better results. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips and insights. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. For more in-depth guides and resources, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.